They ate my bacon already. What did Daddy get? Yogurt. And what did you guys get? Yummy, delicious egg and cheese.
I can talk about 5.
Hi guys!
We'll get one on the way back too. It's gonna get sunnier. Look at the doggies. Look at the doggies. Oh, look at Jagger eating and everybody. We're in Toronto City. Oh, wow. This is going to be a skating rink when it's winter time.
Oh, this is where it is?
Yeah, this is what we see on TV all the time.
What are you doing? Show me the Toronto sign. Where is it? Wow. With a big maple leaf. Get a treat when we get home.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay, say hi guys.
Hi.
Where are we?
In Canada.
Where are we in Canada?
I don't know.
We're in Toronto.
Yay!
Yay! Do you like Toronto? Yeah? Are we having so much fun? Oh, look at the lady.
Oh, what can I do? Let me talk to Dad.
Mommy Melanique.
But I don't have it.
Marshall.
Again?
Oh my God, church.
Jagger? You see? Come. On the side. Oh, what's this? Vegetables. Mira, flores. Flores. Wow.
Jake is scared of the fish heads.
Oh, delicious. ¿Listo? ¿Quieres comerlo? Vamos. Mira, mira. Mira. Mira, un bird. Birdie.
Look, Mommy, look at the size of those crabs. Look, Jakey, lobsters. Look, they're in the glass. They can't come out. And see, look, see the
I think
pinchers?
we got a photo with them one year.
Jakey, look, see the pinchers? They have elastics. They're closed, so they can't even pinch you. See, they have the rubber band, so they can't pinch you.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. It's my favorite.
I'm so hungry, I'm going to save it for my
Can I have a snacky bun, side fries, and can you put pickles in the sandwich as well?
Are we gonna eat Jagger?
So that's, you know,
Ooh.
that's the deal.
Yeah, because I
Delicious.
set
You want some
notifications,
tomatoes?
so I don't scroll at Instagram.
Tomatoes?
But I have notifications, so like right now.
It's not hot.
If I say there's a notification, maybe.
Oh yeah.
I think I saw one.
Jagger, go on with Jakey. Go with Jakey. I know I've been terrible at vlogging, guys, but we're at the aquarium and look at this beautiful koi pond. Wow.
Hi, Fishy.
Aren't they so cool?
I'm not even scared.
No, why would they be scared? They're talking to you. ¿Te gusta?
Are they not scared? Are they not scared? That's because they're big.
Uh-oh. Paano to, Papa? Mamo.
How many fish there are?
How many fish do you think is in there?
I don't know.
Wow, they're so beautiful. There's
There's a thousand.
angelfish, clownfish.
There's 1,000, Mommy.
Oh wow, I think maybe.
Wow. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Let me tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
Fish are there.
Oh, they're like beautiful silver fish. Like 1,000.
No, 1,000,000.
1,000,000?
Yes.
No, Jake. No, 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 no.
It's called a spotted gar. This is called a spotted gar. Look.
Look
Oh.
at that big fish. Look at that fish, Daddy.
They're called lake. Those are called lake. Look at his claws.
Because he's waiting for us to eat him.
Because he's a different kind. He's an Alaskan king crab.
These fish are so beautiful, beautiful tropical reef fish. I practically have all of these at our little reef at home in the Bahamas. Mira! Tiburon! Look at his teeth!
Oh, it's big, huh?
Hi guys, so I know I've been showing you guys snippets and clips like from me and the kids and around the city and everything, because honestly it's just been so crazy, busy, hectic, and I literally have not had a moment to sit down and vlog until now. Like, oh my goodness, I need to lay down. But I'm in Toronto, like my favorite place ever. If you know me, you know how much I love Toronto. And I'm so excited to be here after 2 years. See my family, well, I'm not seeing much friends this trip because I'm just like spending all of this time with family because it's been almost 2 years and we're dealing with things for our place in Toronto because you know you're not here a long time. There's bills, there's like so much stuff. It all adds up and then you gotta just like settle all of that stuff. So I am here now. I am in my cozy like lounge wear, if you can see. So comfy. And then I have like a robe. Let me try to show you a little clip. So this is like what I got on. So cozy, comfy. I love it. Yeah, so pretty much I have a little chance to vlog now because I'm staying in tonight because I'm just pooped. I've been going like every day since we got here and the kids practically are driving me crazy. Like, here's one right here. Jagger. Jaggy. What are you doing? Driving me crazy? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, driving me crazy like I said. So I just wanted to like actually check in with you guys, have a little talk with you guys, and editing Melanique. When I'm editing this vlog, I'm going to try like to put as much information as I can about Toronto, like in the clips that I'm not talking. Sweet, sweet children. Yeah, this trip has been pretty much of a hassle with them. In a good way. I'm having an amazing time. I'm so happy to have them here with us and see our family and everything. But man, oh man, it is not easy. I don't get to see any friends this trip. I don't get to do like anything like really for me. But I will go shopping before we go back home. Like a good shop. I really need that. But yeah, I am so happy to be in Toronto. It's been a fun trip so far. So I'm gonna try to check in with you guys again in the morning because honestly I'm really tired. I may have to go to the bank tomorrow. I haven't been here in so long. I hope my account isn't like down. And I just gotta go like settle some things. And I have some packages that have been here for 2 years. I ordered them and I sent them here before COVID because I was supposed to come in 2 weeks and that never happened. So I'm going to unbox those packages. I'm so super excited. And then I'm gonna eat a quick dinner that hubby went out to get for me because like I said, I didn't feel like going out tonight. So I am having some Lebanese shawarma with tabbouleh, chicken shawarma, the white sauce, garlic sauce, like all that good jazz. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. But yeah, I just wanted to check in like I said, and everything is going great so far. Yay, Toronto, I'm back. What a gloomy, shitty day it is. It's raining and I feel like going back to sleep. Anyway, here are my packages. This one is from Good American. So here are my packages. This one is from Good American. This is by Grace, and I think I have two. Yeah, two by Grace. So Good American by Grace. And then I also have one there But that's just a work package, so no big deal. But yeah, let's crack these open and see what we've got. So guys, I'm sat here right now because this is about the best lighting I can get. Like I said, look outside. It is awful. It is so dark. It feels like it's like nighttime and it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But I am so super excited for these pieces. It's been over 2 years I've been waiting for these and I was so excited. And for me, some will ask, am I worried about them going out of style or trend, whatever? No, because I don't buy into trends and I wear what I like. I don't care if it's 5 years old or 10 years old or brand new. Like, I'm gonna wear it and I don't care if it's in fashion or not. That's just how I am. Anyway, so the first thing I got is these pair of jeans from Good American, which is Khloe Kardashian's brand. If you're not sure about it, I hear they have like the best jeans ever. So I'm super excited about these. I got them in a size 2, which I guess is a 26 waist. I think I have a 25 waist, but I'll try it on and worst comes to worst, I'll take it in. But what I loved about these when I was ordering online is that you can choose the inseam. They have petite styles and everything. So let's go ahead and open this. Kind of hard with one hand. Okay, it was a little bit difficult to show on the ground where the better lighting was. I just put it on the bed. But here we can see, like, I can just tell you, these are real jeans. No hate Fashion Nova, because I think everyone loves a good Fashion Nova jean. Although I'm short, so I hate high-waisted jeans, and that's mostly what they sell. But this is the real deal jeans. Like, I love Levi's, and now I know I'm going to be a big Good American fan, because just look at this. I know it's not the trend right now, the skinny jean, but I'm only 5 feet tall, so that'll always be a thing for me because it elongates me and makes me look taller. And the straight jeans and the big baggy jeans that are trending now just do nothing for me. So I have one pair of boyfriend jeans that I really love and I've had for years. That's about the only thing I'll wear, but the other things are just never going to happen for me. But these look amazing, and I got these on sale actually. If you want to shop this style, this is the name of the style. It's called Good Legs Crop, and that is the name of this model of jean. Yeah, and I got this during their it was called a family sale for some reason, and it was 25% off. But then I still had to pay taxes and whatever, so it wasn't like as good of a discount as like you think you're getting, but it was better than no discount at all, because the jeans are not cheap, but I think they're so completely worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, but I'm just gonna show you everything else first. Like it?
Red car, look.
This went out of business, that
Oh,
nice
Daddy,
restaurant.
a red car there.
I see. Here's another one.
Yes.
But which one was cooler?
No, to my real. That one's cool. That.
I I know. Good morning. Where are we going, Jake?
To eat
To eat what?
bacon and eggs.
Oh, delicious. So we are headed for breakfast. Like a diner breakfast. We're gonna have some bacon and eggs and all the good stuff. Right, Jake?
Yes.
Then what are we gonna do after?
I don't know.
We're gonna go
Ooh, look
shopping.
Popeyes. That's new. I didn't know it was there. That's brand new.
Batman is black and gray though.
Oh, that's what you want?
Yes, Batman is this color.
Okay, so here's
Let
one.
Jagger get one too, or else he'll cry.
Oh, Jagger, you want to get one?
Yeah.
Ooh, those are cool.
What, the donuts?
Those shirts over there.
Oh, my favorite! Mommy, look how this Superman one is.
Wow, that's awesome. I like it.
Look, Mommy, Spider-Man!
Wow.
Look! I'm transfer!
Which one do you like, Jagger? What do you like, Jagger?
Socks, Mommy!
Wow.
This is cool.
So we are in Baby Gap or Gap Kids, and we're shopping for the kids. We just got them like a ton of new things that they really needed, and they're super excited. Are you excited, Jagger? Wow. Oh, what are you eating? Chocolate?
See.
See?
Mommy, she's asking.
Say bye. So guys, I'm actually in Sephora right now. I have not been in here in probably, yeah, over 2 years. I'm nostalgic, right? So I'm just looking for some things that I want, and I'm rushing because I have the kids with me, but I'm gonna show you guys what I get, show you around for a little bit.